Hello, my name is Lyric Stanley. Today I'm walking through an economic overview of Greece and whether it makes sense for U.S. investors to consider this market. I'll break down living standards, growth trends, innovation capacity, and the overall business environment before giving my recommendation. Thank you. Greece functions as a mixed market economy, meaning private businesses operate alongside a noticeable government presence in certain industries. It's part of both the EU and Eurozone, which gives it regulatory stability. The population is around 10.3 million, with most people living in Athens or Thessaloniki. Tourism, shipping, and renewable energy are the country's biggest economic drivers at this time. In this presentation, I'm focusing on the areas that matter most for investors: living standards, economic growth, innovation, and the overall investment climate. I'll end with a clear recommendation based on the data that I present today. Thank you. Greece's GDP per capita is worth $22,000. That's lower than the US and most Western European countries. A lot of this traces back to the long debt crisis that hit the country hard. Even though the economy has stabilized, household income hasn't fully bounced back yet to its full prosperity. On the OECD Better Life Index, Greece scores well in health. Life expectancy is strong, especially considering income levels. Education is solid overall, but college completion rates are lower than the EU average. Income and wealth are the weakest areas, which shows that households still feel the effects of the past economic downturns, which can be a big issue when it comes to the growth of the household and maintaining a stability within the country. Looking at the last 4 years, Greece had a major drop in 2020 during the pandemic. The rebound in 2021 and 2022 was strong, and growth leveled out around 2% in 2023. When you average it out, the country is growing, but not at a rapid pace. It's more of a steady recovery to the finish line. Greece ranks 44th on the Global Innovation Index. It performs well in research output and has been expanding its renewable energy innovation. The challenges come from limited venture capital and slower digital adoption. So while there's potential, innovation heavy industries may face some friction. Greece has made progress in creating a more investor-friendly environment. EU membership brings stability and recent tax changes have helped. Tourism continues to be a major strength, and the country's location makes it important for trade. The challenges are still there, though public debt is high. Bureaucracy can slow things down, and the legal system moves slowly. Here's a quick breakdown. Greece's strengths are clear. Tourism, shipping, and renewable energy all have strong momentum. On the other hand, lower income levels, moderate innovation capacity, and administrative delays create challenges that investors need to be aware of. My recommendation is to invest, but selectively. The strongest opportunities are in tourism, renewable energy, shipping, and tech that supports those industries. These areas align with Greece's strengths and offer long-term potential. Investors should be prepared for slower administration processes and take a long-term approach. The main risks include fiscal instability and regulatory delays, but the opportunities are significant, especially with EU funding infrastructure projects. renewable energy expansions, and continued growth in tourism. My name is Lyric Stanley, and again, thank you for listening. I'm happy to answer any of your questions about Greece's investment potential, and I hope you continue to have a blessed day and God be with you. Thank you.